Hi everyone, welcome to DVK channel. Today's importance. When is German Unity Day celebrated? The answer is October 3. Second question. In which year German reunification took place? The answer is in 1990. Third question. What is the capital of Germany? The answer is Berlin. Fourth question. What is the official language of Germany? The answer is German. Fifth question. What is the currency of Germany? The answer is Euro. Sixth question. What is the national animal of Germany? The answer is eagle. Seventh question. What is the calling code of Germany? The answer is +49. Eighth question. What is the time difference between India and Germany? The answer is India is 3 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Germany. Ninth question. What is the national game of Germany? The answer is football. Tenth question. What is the national fruit of Germany? The answer is apple. Thank you dear friends for watching this video. If you find this video more helpful, kindly share, subscribe and like. Thank you once again.